Some kind of firecrackers right there.
So if at any point it looks sketchier than we believe, we'll just turn around.
Okay. So you know, I haven't put four-wheel drive or low or any of that. I'm just gonna play it as I see it.
Yeah.
Make necessary adjustments. So is this the part, the original part of 73, or what used to be called 32?
I think this was 73
Okay.
already. I think it's the other end that they added to.
Yeah. Got a dip here. Looking around, see if I see the horses anywhere.
I know, it's fun. I was just thinking because it's like this one particular section is where you see all the evidence.
Yeah. Most could just come out here to do their business, I guess. Probably somewhere in the shade, in this brush or something, or somewhere or another. Munching on something. I'm going the wrong damn way. Well, that was confusing. Damn, is that rutted out or what?
Someone's coming up.
Something else, babe.
Yep.
So can they get by you or what? So you want to give it a go then?
I guess so.
Oh boy, let's see here. You want me to lead?
Yeah.
He said there wasn't nothing else behind him, but
Okay.
how to figure out. Whatever you do, don't go up on that embankment over there, okay? Got it?
I'm coming.
Got it. Stay straight. That's a different little turnaround thing there, ain't it? Gonna take it slow, all right?
Yeah.
Some loose rocks here and stuff, but descent. I don't know. Are you okay?
Yeah. This is that section.
Yeah.
It's rutted.
It's rutted pretty bad. I think we could straddle it on the left though. But you wouldn't want to, you know, I don't think we'd want to go to the right. See what I'm talking about?
I can't really. Hang on. Let me.
You need to stop a minute and when us.
So you're saying straddle to the left?
You think so?
I'm asking, is that what you were saying?
That's what I was suggesting at first. Yeah, I mean, there's brush over there, I know, so.
I mean, it looks like it.
I don't think on the right is the right way. But if you don't feel comfortable about it, that's fine, all right?
Well, I guess if you feel comfortable, then you start, and then we'll go from there.
Tell you what, let me cut this off just a minute. I want to walk down here and look at it. A little bit closer look. You want me to leave the camera on?
Yeah, so.
I just want to see. I just don't think that coming down on that side, I mean, you probably could do it, but I tend to feel better about us straddling this side, don't you?
That's fine.
But you got to keep it, I mean, you when I say straddle it, that means you got to keep the wheels up there where they need to go, but you don't want to let these get down in here, which means you don't want to go too far that way either. You know what I'm getting at?
Right.
I think this right here, it's kind of like this section right here is not the best for this side, but once you got down there, you might would be all right on that side, but you don't need to be switching sides,
right.
You know, middle of the game kind of thing. So I'm thinking from the start, you know, we're gonna have to. See, this may not go as well as I'm thinking either. I don't know. Oh, Jesus Christ. You may want me to do yours, I don't know. That initial approach like I just did, that's probably the scariest part, is making sure you get lined up the way you want to be. The bad thing is there ain't nowhere down here for me to park, that I'm off the trail in case something were to come by.
I'm gonna film you from here. Whew, that's steeper than it even looks from up there.
Well, you getting back on?
No, go ahead. I'm just getting out your way.
I'll leave it running.
That's steep. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Use my knight in shining armor.
Yep. All about picking the right line.
Yeah. And from what I remember, that was the worst of it.
I think I'm gonna leave mine in the low for now, though.
Yeah.
Until I assess the terrain a little more. Got another downhill, but it ain't, should be able to handle it.
Okay.
I try to just kind of follow my line.
Oh, here's the actual end of the switchback. That was the landing I thought was at the bottom of that one.
Stay in the ruts here like I'm doing.
Okay. Everybody I saw just pulled up there to do their little U-turn.
Yeah.
If you need it.
Let me move out of your way.
I would just ride up here to do my little loopy-loop.
Alright.
Did you switch out of low and four-wheel?
I'm still in four-wheel, but I'm in high at the moment. lot of ferns through here. Out that thing on the gas line. Chipmunk running up that fallen log. You see? Well, I couldn't tell for sure if that was what that was or not, because at first I thought it was a rat, but a further look, I think it was a chipmunk. I could be wrong. Something really small, whatever it was, but 71 or 73.